Hey, what's up, my YouTube family? Welcome back to another video with your girl, Miss Trina Living Life Eats, and that's exactly what I'm about to do right now. Okay, so y'all, I had me some mussels and some shrimp. I had me a cold beer, of course, and then I got a Caesar salad in here. I know y'all can't see what's in here, but it's a Caesar salad. I do got my grand dog still here, so hopefully he don't interrupt my video with y'all. Okay. And I am so hungry. Worked all day, hungry. Let me try to scoot this back some. I feel like it's just too close or something. All right, let's get started with this shrimp because I'm hungry. But I got butter all the way down here. And I do like my butter sauce, but I like my daughter butter sauce better. And she ain't make my sauce today, so I ain't happy. I sure hope I got enough seasoning up in here. I do. And I ain't take the shells off. I ain't got nothing to put the shells in. I just set them to the side. And I don't want it to be spicy. I need some spice in my life. Because this is not spicy enough. It is not spicy enough. Of course, my granddog right here trying to catch every morsel that I drop. It ain't happening, Captain. It ain't happening, Captain. You can get up out of here. Crazy dog. Go bother Lexi. You good or you want some more? Okay. So y'all, Thanksgiving is coming up. What is y'all cooking? And typically, I know black folk, we cook the same thing for Thanksgiving that we do for Christmas. Most of us do. And I don't want to eat the same thing that I just ate for Thanksgiving for Christmas. So I always switch up what I make for Christmas. I don't do greens and all of that type of stuff. I like having like soups and different stuff, y'all. This needs to be spicy and it's not spicy enough. Because it's like you can just overdo like the same stuff every year. It's like this, ooh shit, I put too much. God damn it. I put way too much spice. This shit finna be hot. Right, but girl, you know mama. But I don't want to eat the same thing for Christmas like I'm eating for like Thanksgiving. And we tend to do that. We eat the same stuff. Chitlins, greens. Although I do want my chitlins. Chitlins, greens, macaroni and cheese, dressing. What else we made? Dressing. I'm missing some stuff. Spaghetti. What else we made? I'm missing a whole host of stuff. Dressing. Spaghetti. What is the meat? Turkey. turkey and what else? We've been making all types of stuff, y'all. I'm just gonna say it like that. It'd be like a whole bunch of different stuff that we make. Last year for Thanksgiving, I made a duck. Was it a duck? No, I made a rabbit. I swear. I made a rabbit, y'all. I looked up a rabbit recipe. And I put that puppy in the oven. It was so good. It was gone too. Hey, get out of here. I haven't had mussels in a while. And I was gonna have cucumbers. I brought me 2 fresh cucumbers. I'm like, that's too much food. I ain't gonna be able to eat it all. I need some spice. I'm gonna put some more in this one. I be needing this to burn. Spoke too soon. Oh, we out. The spiciest hot sauce you can eat. And I did get used to eating that because I used to eat it and put it on everything, y'all. But because it's been a while, it's spicy. This lemon pepper. Gotta have the lemon pepper. My mouth is burning. So yes, don't want to eat the same thing for Christmas that I eat for Thanksgiving. Sometimes you just gotta say the hell with it. I think I overdid it on the spice, y'all. Because that bad boy is hot. That's why I'm not even calling his name, the dog. He's just walking around like a sad soul. I ain't got no napkin or nothing. Let me get a towel, y'all. Hold on. Have no towel. Okay, y'all, sorry. I ain't got no napkin, so I got a towel. But it's really spicy. That's yours? Oh, I'm gonna go with Alice. Y'all, this stuff is hot. I shouldn't have put too much hot sauce in here. Just don't dip on that one side. Just don't dip on this one side because it's too hot if you want to try it. Oh, YouTube. Yes.
Hey YouTube. I don't feel good.
She's been sick for like 3 days, y'all. And she over here trying to eat my mussels. But she ain't have like no cold sick. It's been like a virus, like her tummy or something.
You said what side is too hot?
It's this side. Oh, my
This
nose
side?
running. Yeah.
The other side don't got that hot sauce in it.
You got a dibble dabble.
I'll pass. I don't got time. You over here sniffling. My stomach already hurt. Mom.
Sorry. You got a virus, mama. That's what you got. So you get your ass with me.
My dress so long.
They are long. Girl, you got all that soap in the back of your head.
I got soap in the back of my head.
Yeah, like a whole sloth. You see that big patch
No.
of soap behind your ear?
I'm like, this one?
Girl, you don't feel all of that? This girl came. How you taking a shower? You still got soap on you? Y'all, my kids. And they ain't kids, they adults. But you got a shower with soap still.
I'm 22, love. Yeah, grown. I've been on this earth for 22 long years. I am ancient.
She said she grown at 22, but she was just asking me to rub her stomach because her stomach hurt.
So,
I got this.
you can still rub my stomach.
It ain't that bad. It's not like hot.
What's wrong with
I have so much of it. Please, somebody can have some. You can have some, babe.
It's too hot, Mom.
Y'all just some wingdings.
Did you put it all over everything?
No, I just put a little spice in there. That's it. I didn't put it over the shrimp. I didn't put it over shrimp.
Not on this one.
No, I didn't like do this. I just put it in the butter, really. So if you take shrimp from the top, it's not gonna be hot. It's not going to be hot. So my baby birthday is next week, y'all. On the 16th. Not none of y'all. Y'all grown. Y'all not my babies no more. Y'all still my babies, but y'all ain't no baby. So my baby birthday is on the 16th. And is it the 16th?
I hope you're talking about Cartier, because that's his birthday.
13, 14, 15, 16. The 16th is Thursday.
I don't know. Hell, is it? That's me.
My baby birthday on the 16th, which is I think it's Thursday, y'all. So she want some AirPods.
This month or next month?
AirPods this month.
Oh.
She wants some AirPods in a really nice case, and she want to go to Cheesecake Factory.
You ain't give me nothing for my birthday.
I did get you something for your birthday.
What'd you give me for my birthday this year? Man.
First of all, you was in Florida. Weren't you in Florida?
No.
Houston.
I was in Houston on the 20th. My birthday's on the 4th. What did I receive?
Me might know I gave you something.
A happy birthday and a pat on the back. That's about
No
it.
way.
Yeah, Mom.
And we brought Lexi something?
Yeah, I didn't get anything.
Did you say you didn't want nothing?
I always get the short end of the stick. Why would I say I don't want anything for my birthday? You just don't care. You only care about your first child and your grandson.
That is not true.
That's true. I get the short end of the stick every time, and I'm tired of it.
I forgot your birthday? No, I didn't forget it.
But you didn't get me nothing.
But did you even want any? Why didn't I get you nothing? You must say you didn't want nothing.
Oh, I asked for cologne. I got my sister something for her birthday. She didn't get me nothing for my birthday. So it's like,
Cologne?
I'm cool on y'all.
Okay, well, how come it's not in my text message?
Well, I told y'all. And my sister said,
Cologne.
if I get her something for her birthday,
Right, what happened? It had to be a glitch somewhere. You had to be gone.
no, my sister didn't give me nothing.
Cause there's no way we just didn't get you nothing because of something. It had to be
No,
something.
Y'all didn't give me nothing. Y'all didn't even think about my birthday. It's okay.
I can still get you something,
It's all right. It's quite all right.
but I didn't know. Do you remember, Lexi?
Yeah, she didn't give me nothing.
Why you my shit?
She was supposed to give me some cologne because I got her some perfume.
Right, we both did.
I ain't
But I spent my money on you.
We spent a lot of money. Yes, we did. We had to go all the way to the mall.
Yeah, mommy, you got her a gift and you haven't got me nothing.
I don't know why I didn't.
I don't know why either.
But what happened?
Nope. Nothing. Nada. Zilch.
But I'll make it up to you.
Mm-hmm. I want 2 zips.
2 zips. I'll get your ass 1 zip. No, if I get a zip, this over with. We both share it. I'm talking about a zip. I'll get your ass a 7 for the 50.
Stop chewing up your harness.
He do that all the time.
He just having it in his mouth.
And then he be putting it on him backwards. It's so funny. Anyway, as I was rudely interrupted by my kids, I gotta get my baby something for her birthday. Mm-hmm. That's it. And she's so tall and big too, y'all. Oh my God. What's the ball? The ones at the top?
Look at his face. He just scratched it.
Y'all, I'm getting full.
See?
How long I been having y'all? 16 minutes. I ain't had y'all that long.
Biting.
And we at home, so we finna kick it tonight.
You see?
We finna kick that.
You don't got no more oil, man?
She just put something on, I told her.
Real loud. Messing his face up. His hair growing back in his patches. One by one.
Them patches is not growing back yet.
This one.
The one on the side of his neck is the bullet wound.
This one is like his skin is growing. His skin is growing back. It'll be back in the summertime.
Cause I'm sick of seeing them patches over him.
He's gonna be patched until the spring.
Yeah. She do her dog so wrong.
No, I don't.
No, she don't.
How I know he was allergic to that? It's dog soap.
I already explained it to him. I told him that you put some doggy soap on him, but he was allergic to the kiwi that was in it.
Yeah. Stop.
Now, can y'all reheat this up in the microwave? Like, if I took this to work?
Yeah.
Cause, baby.
What time you work tomorrow?
7:30 to 4. I got another good shift. And then Thursday, I open. So I gotta be at work at 5:30. I get off at 2. I work Friday. Yep, I work Friday too. I work Saturday. And I work Sunday. Nope, I'm off Sunday. Shrimp. I'm about to let y'all go for real. I ain't joking, y'all. Let me just eat another shrimp. I'll let y'all go. You sure you don't want no more than it? It's really good, but it's a lot. I made a lot. And I still got a lot of shrimp left. We all should go camping. Y'all want to go? Mm-hmm. You do, boo? Yeah. Ask your friend if she want to come too. She's really nice.
So you want to go camping? You want to go camping?
All right, so I'm about to let y'all go because this is too hot and I'm full. So, thank y'all so much for hanging out with y'all girl on today. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so y'all can get all of my new up-to-date and new videos. Make sure y'all go check out my playlist.
Me too.
And until the next video, peace, love, and hair grease.